Here we are, Andrea and Hannah, trying the neti pot for the first time. Wait, let me get a good angle on this one. Okay, here we go.
Like, do you think this is good? Like that?
No, we said that the
Like
other
that?
go like that. Here we go. Let me get it on there. M. Night Shyamalan. There we go. Look at that stream roll on it. How's that feel?
I said it shouldn't go in my throat, and it is.
Stop drinking it. Stop drinking it, Andrea. You like that? Did it work?
Should I do my other? No, look.
Zoom in.
It's supposed to be this messy.
Alright, go for it. Get this dream. Here we go. Work it. Work it. Stop. Why is it coming out of your mouth?
It's going down my throat.
Why? Does it taste gross?
It tastes like salt water.
This is disgusting.
Oh. I should try it.
I should try it?
Yeah, so I don't feel like clogging anymore.
You put that stuff in your nose. Your throat.
I don't know why it goes in my throat.
Keep going. Keep going.
Hon.
On.
It like...
I don't know why you keep breathing it.
Ew.
I love how like we're doing this, and every time you see snot, you're like, ew. Is it really coming out of your mouth like that?
Yeah. You think I'm joking?
Are you done? How do you feel?
I'm gonna finish it.
Alright, well, this is a 3-minute video. It's really boring. I'm gonna try to wrap it up.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, do you feel refreshed?
I do.
Beautiful. Bye.